Mjolo Will Humble You by Ntendeni Luvhengo. Episode 5. Beer. Welcome back, Bazalwane, Bazwax, Bazwixzo, Bazwixzi, Bazwizzles. Yebo. We are no longer in the pit toilet. Sure. Phew. I know, right? We are no longer there. Okay, so yeah, relax. You can take a breath now. We are outside in the clear, fresh village air, surrounded by trees, untainted by pollution. Phew. Yes, Bazalwane. Breathe. Marane. Just when I'm still recovering from the trauma of the pit toilet, somebody tries me. We see a swaying figure by the gate, a moving shadow approaching the house. To the side, a little to the front, a little to the back. I do my yatsamaya, golo ya elia. I do my yatsamaya, golo ya elia. Great. It's dead. We can smell the beer from here. I saved you from the smell of the pit toilet, Bazalwane, only for someone to send us to the smell of beer. Nothing changes in the village, hey? Same old, same old. Nothing moves in this village. The pit toilet is still where I left it, with all its waste. The trees are still where I left them. And of course, dead. Still getting drunk and belting Mzanzi's best gospel hits through the night. I do my yatsamaya. Dad suddenly stops singing and stares at me like he saw a ghost. I stare back. He stares at me. I stare back. I'm staring in judgment. I'm like, wow, you still drinking? I now turn my judgmental stare to my mother. Yes, I'm judging. I'm like, are you still with him? Are you still married to this guy, Mom? Really? Same old, same old. You still here? It's like the more I leave this village, the more it stays the same. Even Dad's favorite attire for his shebeen escapades hasn't changed. Quite sporty. Expensive Italian striped golf shirt, khaki Bermuda shorts, and those ridiculously expensive Jesus sandals he owns many pairs of, made from real imported Egyptian leather, and cost an arm and a leg. This is where your grocery money goes. Mom always complains about Dad's expensive taste in style. This is where money for Chisebo is finished. Instead of being a man like other men and feeding your family, your money goes into alcohol and these stupid clothes. And of course, those makwapenis of yours. You will eat those clothes, those stupid expensive clothes, since that's where grocery money is going. I will serve you those stupid Bermudas of yours on a plate, since that's your food. And before I know it, it's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth between Mom and Dad in this house, transporting me back to my worst childhood traumas. My head is spinning. I'm stuck between these two. Sure, Bazalwane, the drama in this house. Ndobiyela zone. This is what I came back for. I swear Jesus would come back, ne? And this village would remain the same. Jesus is not taking anybody from this village, I swear. I feel my daddy issues tiptoeing back into my life. My first night at home and Dad couldn't behave like a father for one night. One night only? Is that too much to ask for? On the night of my return back home, you choose beer over me? You can't even put the bottle of beer down just for one night only to be a father and give your precious daughter a warm welcome? Just for one night? I give you one last chance, one last night to be a father, and you blow it. You blow it. Dad disappears into the darkness inside the house. It's like I'm not even here. There is a grieving inner child in me, a neglected and abandoned child. You had one night to see me, one night to be a father, and you blow it. I spiral back into the darkest of my childhood anger and traumas. Beer over me. You see beer over me. You always choose beer over me.